This is a relationship of mutual understanding between them.
If you disagree, then you will have to convince or get convinced.
Yes.
How? Without embarrassing, without insulting.
Your wife family and wife is to respect her husband family.
Usually in most of cases, the earlier part of married life goes very well.
Excellent.
And after that,
Time is not there, otherwise I would quote it earlier to Allah Ta'ala in detail now that he please.
Respect is most important than anything else.
Sorry, I couldn't get him. What was he talking about?
Respect.
The difference of opinion.
Great. Respecting the difference of opinion.
Likes and dislikes, they vary now. You understood the same?
Difference of opinion.
Respect the difference of opinion now. Respect now that likes and dislikes now.
Partner have to understand each other.
Each of the couple should always understand
His or her part.
If either of the couple has some bad habit, the life partner should be logically convinced to abandon it.
Okay, if bad habit is there, so what is to be done then?
Teach them.
Mold, no? How? Without embarrassing, without insulting, without damaging. Absolutely right.
I wanted to salute the one whose heart reportedly has seriously broken due to the death of his wife. The wife who was buried in the absence of this loving husband. The husband who preferred staying in London over participating in the burial ceremony of his wife in Pakistan.
I don't mention that I want to talk about Nawaz Sharif.
Anything else you want to say? Please.
So the other thing is that my batchmate said that we can marry upper class or lower class. So it is I think very important that we respect your wife family and wife is to respect her husband family.
The one thing which you are actually repeating, that is respect.
Yes, sir.
Good. That's a very, very important point just you're talking about. But now you're repeating, no? So we want to, actually time is not there. So your point is respect. Respect your partner. Respect each and every like and dislike of your partner. Respect each and every word of your partner. If there is some problem, if you disagree, then you will have to convince or get convinced.
Yes.
Convince or get convinced.
Yes.
And this is the only way. But this attempt of convincing or getting convinced, it should be made in an ideal way. Without hurting, no?
Being judgmental.
Absolutely right. Thank you. Please, Akbar. What's your concept of marital life, married life or matrimonial life?
married life is basically a bonding of two persons called.
This is the point. I had been waiting since the start of our today's session.
And you just touched that. Now, this actually, we should be very scientific. Scientific. What is marital life? Is a bondage. Is a bond between two persons.
Legal bond.
Legal permanent bond. Legal permanent bond. It's not for 1 day, for 2 days, or 1 week, or 1 month. Not at all. It is a permanent. It's a bond between two persons, and this bond is legal.
Yes.
Legal means that it is announced in the society. That two persons know that boy and girl, they declare that they are going to start their life as husband and wife.
And door for the suitors has been closed forever.
See, and if they're seen that moving, having hand in hand and enjoying their life, and none is allowed now to talk ill of them, because this is their right, this is their right now. They have agreed and they have declared this relationship in the society, and this is permanent. Excellent. Very good, better, please. The most impressive point. Actually, I was waiting for that now. It is we to start with that. This is a relationship we are talking about, and then now what to do with that bond? You're living together. The problems are there. No issues are there. No that likes and dislikes. No the relationships are there. Give it, please.
It is a concept on which all the religions believe, whether they are
Excellent.
Hindu or they are Muslims or any other religion.
So you're talking about that this concept is not new. It has been over there since the creation of that Adam. You know that Adam and Eve, they were husband and wife. Husband and wife. See, so the point actually now that this relationship, this bond between two opposite sexes, I mean the genders, it has been over there since the creation of that Adam and Eve. They were created, both. God created every living being in couple, male and female. So, and then the generation that started, the coming generation, the sons and daughters of Adam, and then their sons and daughters, and so on. And God Almighty that kept sending his prophets for the guidance of mankind. And the very first thing which was guided, that was this relationship, because this is the basic unit of the society. This is the basic unit of the society. Please.
this also gather two families together, and in result of this relationship, many new relations develop.
Very good, beta. Okay.
This is a relationship of mutual understanding between them.
See how systematically, scientifically, he is speaking on the topic. MashaAllah.
See, as this relationship is established, it results in so many other relationships. Now, before that, you were the daughter, no? And as you became the wife, now you're not wife only.
Yes.
Now you are both as well, daughter-in-law, now sister-in-law, and so on. As the time passes, you're talking about, and then your mother. And then now that your children shall be marrying, now that you're the grandmother, and so on.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law as well, excellent. And that sometimes now that's auntie, now that aunt, and so on. You better please.
Usually, in most of cases, the earlier part of married life goes very well,
Excellent.
and after that,
Time is not there, otherwise I would quote it Ali radiyallahu ta'ala in detail. Now that very interesting talk which Ali used to give radiyallahu anhu.
If time were there, I would share it with you.
But on some other day, inshallah. Please. What I should tell.
usually first part of the married life goes very well. After having children, the behavior changes, and
Excellent.
it has a really bad impact on the children's mind,
Excellent.
and this can lead to the mental disturbance of the child.
This again is a fact. We see that as the time passes, I mean the marital life, as it starts. So in the initial phase, what happens? So there's no problem. As time passes, the problems now start taking place. You can say sacrifice, compromises. So as you know, the result of the marriage, you can say that is children, no?
Yes.
One of the results, that is children. No? So as the children are there, so and they see the parents, that fighting every time, that insulting one another, that embarrassing one another, that and shouting sometime, and I have seen number of people beating, that. See, and talking ill of, the life partner among others, in other families, even in the markets, sorry, but I will beg you. So what happens, all these things, damage, your children, so we should be very careful. So really beautifully, that what could I understand from the talk, that this is a relationship between two, first of all, the first relationship between two husband and wife. This bond, this relationship is permanent, and as we move forward, we came to know that initially this relationship is enjoyed, but as time passes, now that due to certain reasons, the problems start taking place. Ready? So this is a point we are going to discuss right now. The next round.